Welcome to another episode of Decalogues. Today we are at another beautiful decor home at GM Infinite Daffodils, owned by Mr. Kevin Das and family.
So we just started off with looking online, on YouTube there were some videos, and our main concern was to have a interior design such that it suits whatever we have, like our antiques, our furnitures, and we wanted something simple, sober, and yet elegant. So we found some videos of Decorpot online on YouTube, and we really liked it. So we thought, why don't we give it a try? So yeah, that's how we got the Decorpot.
There's something special about this house. The entire home has a combination of white and wooden finish laminate used for the storage units. The TV panel has a wooden backdrop with ledges on top.
Journey was awesome because, as Archana mentioned, we had a couple of old furnitures, a couple of artifacts which should gel well with what Decorpot has to offer, and it was great. Even the interior designer understood what we need and what would fit around once the project is completed. So it was awesome, and I would say the whole team, right from the designer till the designing head, then the management was very helpful, very supportive.
Open veneer partition made between the dining and the kitchen. We'll be back with more Decalogues from Decorpot. For more exciting content, subscribe to us at decorpot.com on YouTube, or you can follow us at Instagram and Facebook.